జనవరి ఫిబ్రవరి 2008 7 నిమిషాలు. ఏపీ జనవరి ఫిబ్రవరి 2008 నిమిషానికి 80 పదాలు 7 నిమిషాలు. ఏపీ జనవరి ఫిబ్రవరి 2008 80 పదాలు నిమిషానికి 7 నిమిషాలు. రెడీ? నౌ రైట్ డౌన్. మిస్టర్ స్పీకర్, సర్, at the outset I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to express my views on some of the important issues concerning the state. I have been watching what is happening during the last 3 days, and it is a privilege to express my opinions on them. Many members of this house have been pointing out that some regions of the state have been benefited and some other regions have not. I agree that there is the imbalance in development of some parts of the state. I do not want to criticize anyone for this. There may be different reasons for either the development or the poverty. I am of the view that every place has its own resources, and the development of that place depends on the use of all the resources to the maximum extent possible. For instance, the northeastern states have been full of natural resources, but they are not used properly. That is the important reason for those states remaining backward. We can blame the government of if it does not provide the required resources, but when there are natural resources and if they are not utilized properly by the masses, how can we blame the government? If I am permitted to mention here, I draw the attention of the honorable members to the fact that the governments both at the center and in the state have been working hard to provide educational facilities under various programs. But if the people are not willing to send their children to the schools and they feel that everyone in the family must work hard and earn something so that all the members live together happily, it is not fault of the government. As a matter of fact, the government are providing all kinds of assistance in the form of scholarships, midday meals, etc., to encourage the children of the people below the poverty line to get education at least to the higher secondary stage. On the other hand, I regret to say that the members are not offering any suggestions which would improve the situation. It is the responsibility of the members of this house to rise above party lines in the overall growth of the state, irrespective of the region. to which they belong. I request the members to stop fighting each other on issues of development and come out with useful suggestions. Sir, I draw the attention of the Honorable Home Minister to the law and order situation in the state. There have been theft, murders and accidents. Whenever this issue comes up for discussion, the Honorable Minister expresses helplessness, saying that the existing police force is insufficient to handle the situation. There is no recruitment of any kind for the last 6 years, and this is the chief cause for the youth to take to arms. Had the government taken up recruitment for all those vacant posts, the unemployment problem would have been solved. Though I come from a village in the underdeveloped area, I feel that the people themselves should realize and make use of the opportunities at hand. I once again thank the Speaker for the opportunity given to me. In fact, for a member who is elected for the first time to the legislature, it is a great experience taking part in the discussions.
అది నొక్కడం మర్చిపోయాను రా అబ్బాయి. బాయ్ అబ్బాయి.